Welcome to Invisible Armor Tarot. I'm so excited to have you here today. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back again, welcome back, and I'm thrilled to have you back. Today, I'm going to be doing a single card reading, and I'm titling this one, This Card Found You Right on Time. So, I'm going to start with shuffling the cards, if I can. There we go. Oops, no, shuffling is not going well today, is it? So these one card readings, I have to admit, are probably going to be two card readings because almost invariably, God, what is it with my shuffling today? Invariably when I'm doing a single card reading, there's going to be a moment where I think, then we need a little bit of clarity here. But in this case, we're going to start with one and see how it goes. So we're going to fan the cards out. There we are. Okay, so let's see what the cards want to say to you today. Where do we want to go? There we are. That card wants to come out today. Wow. You know, this is so interesting because I'm doing this reading the day after I did the very initial reading for this channel. And one of the things that you will notice, I'm going to be moving a chair. That was a chair noise. In this card, there's so much going on here, but the first reading that I did to open up this channel, just yesterday I did that reading. This was one of the cards in that reading. So out of the 78 cards in the deck, here we go again. So clearly, today, the energy is all about starting something. So if you're seeing this reading, whatever day, whatever moment that you're seeing it, this message is for you. Fours are all aspects of Aries. Aries is the Emperor energy. So all the fours align with that Emperor energy. This card is all about the fiery energy of moving forward, of actually like taking action on your dreams, your visions, your goals. I love this card because it's got so much power in it. And you see Jupiter, this expansion energy. One of the things that's interesting in the Voyager Tarot also is that there are very few cards that have the color green prominently on them. And you'll notice this green shoot of plant going up and forward and higher. It's really fascinating to me. That stood out to me today. I've been reading this deck for 40 years, and there's so much imagery in it that sometimes you find yourself like seeing something that you've seen hundreds of times, but it just hasn't stood out to you. So today, that new growth is standing out to me. I also feel like this energy here of this kind of sunburst is also very powerful. So what's all this mean? We want to be practical in our readings here on this channel. If you're seeing this today, this is about starting something. It's about not thinking about it anymore. It's about just do it. This message is as much for me as for anyone else because I was putting off starting this channel for the longest time, and just yesterday I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. And so here I am again doing another reading for you. So the Four of Worlds, again, aligns with the Emperor. It is the Aries energy. So if Aries figures prominently in your chart, this card may have an extra significance to you. Its energy is very forward-reaching and upward-reaching and powerful and fiery. And at the same time, there's some balance because you see some blue and some green, some of the cooler tones. But really, it's about like lighting a fire under your butt and doing something. Let's just be real. That's what I hear. So given that energy, like I said at the beginning, it was going to be a single card reading. Not so much. It's going to be a two card reading because what I want to hear is what is the energy that can help you activate this? What's something that you need to do right now, today, that will help activate this energy? Oh, there you are. You're right there. All right. We have the Magician energy. I'm going to put these two cards side by side. The Magician, of course, is the number one in the major arcana. We start with the Fool at 0, but the Magician is the one with the magic wand. He's the one or she. They're the one. I'm sorry about the gendery thing. You know, pronouns will just naturally flow out of my mouth sometimes. But the magician is the one that has the magic wand, the energy of being able just to wave that wand and create whatever they want to create. Now, what's interesting about the magician is that the magician is conceptual in many ways. The power is there, and maybe the vision is there, but it's not quite formed yet. It's going to take the priestess energy to focus it in, and then it's going to take the empress to give birth to whatever the project or the idea is, and then the emperor is going to grab it and go forward. So what this is saying to me is that you need to spend a little bit of time right now thinking about your vision, clarifying it a bit, but don't just sit on it and think about it. Do something, whether it's one tiny little thing or a lot of things, something to begin moving that vision forward. Just the tiniest step sometimes is all you need. So here you go. This is the reading for you today. These cards found you right on time. Thank you so much for joining me here in Invisible Armor Tarot, and please do your normal YouTube things of liking and subscribing. Also, please comment how this reading resonated to you. And also, if you haven't watched the initial reading that I did to open the energy of the channel, please head on over there and watch that video, because I think there will be messages for you there as well. Thank you again for joining me. I will be back soon with more one-card readings, or two-card readings, or however many come out, but let's say one-card readings. But I'm also going to be doing some deeper dive readings too, so please take a look at the playlists on the channel and follow, and hopefully you will find some insight and clarity in this. Thank you again for joining me. This is Invisible Armor Tarot. Namaste.